everyone. It's currently 7:24 on Sunday the 4th of January. -3 degrees on the car. I'm heading down to Newburn for probably about a 7-miler. Hopefully it's not too slippy, we'll see. Kieran's coming out because he wants to test his new trainers. I don't know where Dan and Craig are like, so never mind, we've just got to get at it. So right, I'll see you down there. We're down here now. Kieran's just turning up. It's -2.5 degrees. The paths don't look too icy. I can't wear my gloves today, obviously because of the cast, so it's going to be kind of annoying. I tried to put a coat on and all, can't wear that because of the cast, so I've just got my normal long sleeve running top on, a buff and a beanie hat. So let's see how this goes. Anyways, just a gentle run, probably about 7 miles. We're going to head down towards Wylam, over the bridge, back along the Gateshead side to the Newburn bridge, and then back over again. Just a little training run, like I say, so hopefully goes well. Might take some wildlife. So, and with this vlog as well, I'm going to try and use a different bit of software to do the actual vlog, to see if we can make it a little bit more professional. We shall see. Just more of a test one for me today. So aye, another boring one for you to watch if you're interested. Anyways, we'll see you in a bit. Nice morning for it anyways. Already had one runner pass on the way down. When I was driving, I seen a couple of runners as well. So paths aren't too through it way, they're not frozen at all by the look way. You can't see in this because it's thicky dark like, but you know, Kieran's got his new Hocker Muffins on.
MAF
TXs. You'll not be able to see them properly neither, but also fancy a pair myself because they're my kind of thing. Carbon sole, vibrant sole. So we'll see how he thinks they are. Right, let's get cracking. Lush that. The view of the sun just rising there. Bit icy down this bit, yeah. Just gone canny, be careful. Last thing I want is a fall. Again, not that I fell when I was running like, but well, I kind of was running, but you know, didn't want to injure myself anymore. Just running past Close House now. Feeling quite good. Starting to warm up a bit actually. Rat or something there. Starting to warm up. I think it's not because of the air temperature, just because we're running along, you know. So I'll see you next at the bridge. Show you the bridge I didn't show the last time. The white bridge, it looks a bit like the Tyne Bridge. Wait, it goes over the Tyne as well. So, come up there. Yeah, nice little bit scenery around. There you go. Front could do with a bit of a paint job like, but it's a nice little footbridge. Funny. I'll show you the views on each side as we're running over it. Obviously there's a river goes underneath. I would surmise this used to be a railway bridge from the old coal mining days maybe. Get the coal to like different parts of the country. So obviously the tracks used to be on here. Nice bit of river there. Moon in the background, and then there's that side there. Ooh, a little bit icy on that. Right, up a hill and into the country. I'll catch up with you shortly. On heading back over the other side of the river. We'll come down towards, I'm not sure what station it is. It might be Wylam, might be Wrighton, I don't know. I'll let you know when I get there. Yeah, cross over next to the station, just down there, and then head back towards Newburn Bridge, obviously on the south side of the river. It's got up now, like, sun's up, nice countryside, makes a difference. Good start to the happy Sunday. So see you in a bit. Wylam station, up half down here. Nice little off-road bit, river down there, good views. Wylam station. So there's a footbridge that take you over the track, but if the crossing's not down, then obviously you're going to cross the road, which I think we're probably going to do. Yep, no cars coming. So that's Wylam Bridge. I'm assuming because we're at Wylam, you go cut through this car park here, and at the end there's a track that runs along the train line. Take that along. So if you're into train spotting and that, you maybe get your thrills out of this port as well. And you see like the Carlisle or the Curry train as people nowadays go past. They might even wave and beep, you know. So see you in a bit. Check out the views, man. Can't beat it. This is a cracking start of the day. Alright, happy days. We're on 4.84 miles on the way back. It might even be less than 7 miles, you know. We'll see. I'm just going off and we've done the 14 miles that me and Kieran done, but obviously we went on beyond the Newburn port to Scotswood Bridge, so I can't remember the exact distance to Newburn Bridge. I'll let you know when we get there. I think the next bit we'll pass through is Wrighton Golf Course, like literally through the golf course. I don't know if anyone will be swinging the clubs when we're going through, like, but I hope they're good shots, eh? I don't fancy getting hit by a golf ball. So see you in a bit. We're about halfway through the golf course. Doesn't look like anyone's golfing. Probably don't do it this time of day in the winter. I don't know. Like I say, I don't play it. So it's a kind of little area though. So they would come down and back the bars, and then you've just got the time to say. So close use is directly opposite. So I reckon at least another 2.5 miles. We've done over 5, we've done 5.25, so it's looking like closer to 8 miles, but we'll see. We're doing well. So, we've gone through Wrighton Golf Course, on Keelman's Way now. We're looking like a little meadowy area. Cheers. Thanks. Wrighton Willows Nature Reserve, it's called. So we're running along here, just letting one up ahead, the one overtaking. It's canny along here. There's growers out this morning already, doing their thing, seeking the thrill for life, what it's all about. So doing there. So I'll see you in a bit. Cows that were there, it's roaming free. It's a nice big meadow area with the river there. There you go, cracking sunrise. There's the cars just over the river. Roar's run. Just done 7.13 miles. Probably another half mile I would say. Newburn Bridge is just there. So over the bridge, then back along to the car. We'll see. So it's kind of a statue here. I'll have to speed up. There you go. It's like an oarsman. Looks kind of done it. On the north side there, which will get past shortly, Tyne Amateur Rowing Club. And on this side here, we'll have Tyne United Rowing Club. So they'll probably race against each other. Coming up to the bridge now, it's the bridge there. We've done 7.39 miles, so might be touching the 8 mile mark. We'll see. Across the Newburn Bridge, hang a left, go past the boat house. Looks kind of at the bar. I think they're supposed to do good food and that now. So I'll let you know the distance when we get back to the car. But if it's short of 8, we're just going to continue, get the 8 in, because it's not far off. Car 7.98 mile, so we'll get to 8 and we'll call it a day. Been a cracking little run this. We've gone 8 miles. So not a bad day. Going for PBs out like that, just a nice steady run. You see, still training for the ultra, getting the miles in. These ones are becoming a lot easier now. They feel like short runs, just having that time to do them. So anyways, right, I'll let you get away. Enjoy your Sunday. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Oh, 2 seconds. How do you find trainers, Kieran?
Aye, they're nice, very easy to run in. Just need to adjust the
laces
when your feet are a bit numb.
He's got numb feet, too tight laces. So see you later, enjoy your Sunday.